Dark comic style. You will need gel polishes, colors: red, black, cream, white. Top coat. Thin liner brush. Apply a thin coat of cream gel blush. Cure for 60 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Apply a second coat of cream gel blush. Cure for 60 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put some red gel blush on a palette. First, put some dots where you want the heart. Make a triangle. Draw a bow from the upper dot to the triangle. Repeat on the other side. Colorize the heart. Cure for 60 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Outline the heart with black gel blush. Cure for 60 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mix some black with red and draw a comma. Cure for 60 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Draw a comma with white gel blush. and a little stripe in the corner. Cure for 60 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Top coat. Cure for 60 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I love it! Please share and subscribe.